Most people out there are still trying to figure out what the heck is ChatGPT. Voila! Look at that. It barely took a fraction of a second and ChatGPT already replied with the note fully written. How did it do that? Today, in the first video of my 10-minute AI series, I'm going to show you in the next 10 minutes, guaranteed, how to use ChatGPT for the first time. Hi, this is Ash, and welcome back to Aging with Ash. Today we're going to talk about something that everybody's been talking about these days. AI, ChatGPT, artificial intelligence. What is it? What is ChatGPT? What is AI? What's all the fuss all about? And most of all, how does it affect me? I've been seeing seniors like myself all over the world, but especially in America, asking the question, how do I use it? Should I even use it? Where do I start? I'm starting a new series called 10-Minute AI. In the next 10 minutes, we're going to learn how to use ChatGPT for the first time. The first step is to open an internet browser. You can use any browser that you already have on your computer. Safari is one, or Chrome, or any Internet Explorer. It doesn't matter what browser you use. Just open it to a random page. Just open any page and type in the words exactly chatgpt.com. Okay. This is the screen that you'll see. And if you click on login or sign up, you have to obviously sign up for the first time. Click on sign up for free. That's where we start. And you'll see several options. One is continue with Google, continue with Apple, or continue with email. Now, you can just enter, you can use any of these options and enter your email and click continue. And it will send you a code. Whichever option you choose, it will send you a code to your email, the email that you've just entered. Check your inbox and get the code from that email, copy it, and reopen this browser window. Paste it into the browser window and press continue again. It'll open another page which says, how old are you? And you can see it asks you for your full name and your age. Now, I can't emphasize this enough. Make sure you enter your real legal name. Don't try to make up a name, okay? Because this is important. This is your identity and you need to protect it. So enter your name. I'm entering Ash Baker, my age 62. And then you click on finish creating account. Now don't worry, you're not going to be charged anything. You haven't entered any credit card information. No one is going to steal your information. This is a secure lock-in. And here we go. Okay, you can see now on the left-hand side at the bottom, you can see at the corner, Ash Baker, free. I have a free account now. There's an upgrade button there. Ignore that for now. That's their way of asking you to, if you want to pay something more. We don't need that right now. Look at the center. Look at the central panel. It says, what's on the agenda today? And then you see a little box which says with a plus sign. We'll come to the plus sign later in another lesson, but right now let's look at that empty box. This is called a prompt window or a context window. Now, all you have to do is type in anything that you want ChatGPT to do for you. You can see the options below. You can use it to search, you can use it to create an image, but you can also use it just to write something. And that's what we're going to try out today. So I'm going to ask it to write a short, and look, you can see it's already showing me different options, right? You can read those options. Those are what people are usually searching for. So that's what a lot of people are using ChatGPT for already. You don't have to enter any of that. You can enter whatever you like. I'm going to enter today, to keep this simple, write a short thank you note. So it's already completing and asking me if I want to type, write a short thank you note for a friend. No, thank you. Take your time. There's no rush at all. You have all the time in the world. There's no hurry. You're not paying for any of this. This is all free. You can take as much time as you need to think about what you want to ask ChatGPT. As I said, right now I'm just keeping it simple, but you can ask it almost anything under the sun. You'll be amazed at the kind of things that you can ask and get real answers to. But right now, as I said, let's keep it simple. So here we go. Write a short thank you note to my neighbor. All right, that's what I want. Yes, for watering my plants. I was away for a while and I asked my neighbor to water my plants, and she was nice enough to do it. Once you're ready, you click enter, the return button, the button over there at the end, and voila, look at that. It barely took a fraction of a second, and ChatGPT already replied with the note fully written. How did it do that? That's the amazing thing about AI and ChatGPT. It replies almost instantly. Even a very complex question, a very, very difficult question, can basically maybe just take it a few seconds. In rare cases, it can take a few minutes, but we are not challenging it at that level, right? We're not asking it to do Euclidean mathematics or calculate the trajectory of a rocket ship. We're just asking you to write a simple thank you note, and look at that. That's not bad, actually. Hi, you enter the neighbor's name here. Okay, that's a nice note. But I wanted a little more friendly, so I'm going to say, make it a little warmer and a bit shorter. And ChatGPT immediately replies, of course, here's a warmer, more concise version. Let's read it. Hi, neighbor's name, hi, Michelle. Thank you so much for watering my plants. It was so thoughtful of you, and I really appreciate your help. Thank you for looking out for me. That's pretty good, actually. Yes, I think I'll take that. And I even like the heart symbol as at the end. And of course, I have to sign my own name. Now I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to open a text file, a blank text file, and I'm going to paste it in. And there we go. We've logged into ChatGPT for the first time. We've created a free account, and we've used it to generate a short thank you note to my neighbor for watering my plants. There you go. It's less than 10 minutes. You've used ChatGPT for the first time. Congratulations. Most people out there are still trying to figure out what the heck is ChatGPT. You've already done it. You've already opened an account and you've started asking it questions. Now, don't worry if you haven't been able to complete all the steps successfully yet. Don't worry about that at all. That's what I'm here for. I've created a printable PDF that you can download and print out if you like, or just open it on any device you choose and keep it open side by side while you're signing up for the first time and while you're accessing ChatGPT. And you can get the link to download that PDF. It's free, by the way, entirely free for a limited time, but only if you subscribe to my channel. So come on, subscribe to my channel, spend a little more time with me, and I'll give you tons of free stuff. And I hope to see you again on the next episode of 10-Minute AI with me, Ash, on this channel, Aging with Ash. This is Ash, and you're watching Aging with Ash. Hi, this is Ash, and you're watching Aging with Ash. Now, today, hi, this is Ash, and you're watching Aging with Ash.